Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today I'll be solving selective questions from IIT JAM 2015 stat papers for you. You will be given more of the solutions in the next videos and you will be finding more of the solutions of IIT JAM stat papers there, so stay tuned. Let's start with question number 19. In question number 19 we are given that y be an exponential random variable with mean 1 by theta. So y is an exponential random variable with mean is equals to 1 by theta. Also, the conditional distribution of x given y has Poisson distribution with mean y. First we can say f of y is equals to theta e to the power minus theta y for y greater than 0 and theta greater than equals to 0 and 0 otherwise. Now we are also given that x given y follows a Poisson distribution for lambda is equals to y, and this gives us f of x given y is equals to e to the power minus y, y to the power x by x for x is equals to 0, 1 and this goes until n and 0 otherwise. So we can say that expectation x given y is given by expectation of y which is equals to 1 by theta. Let me add a page. So variance of x is equals to expectation of variance of x given y plus variance of expectation of x given y. This gives us expectation of y plus variance of y is equals to 1 by theta plus 1 by theta square is equals to theta plus 1 by theta square. So this is our correct answer, that is theta plus 1 by theta square. Let's move on to the next question, and the next question is question number 20. In question number 20 we can see that there are 2000 nuts are mixed thoroughly in flour. The entire mixture divided into 1000 equal parts and each part is used to make one biscuit. So there are 2000 cashews in 1000 parts. Let x be the number of cashews per biscuit. Cashews per biscuit. We are asked to calculate that a biscuit is picked at random, the probability that it contains no cashew nuts. So x follows Poisson distribution with mean 2. Now, as there are 2000 cashews in 1000 biscuits, we can say that in 1000 equal parts of biscuits, we can say that there are 2 cashews in per part on average. So now we are asked to calculate probability of x is equals to 0. Let me add a page. So probability of x is equals to 0 is equals to e to the power minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power 0 by 0 factorial is equals to e to the power minus 2, that becomes 0.135. So we can say the value lies between 0.1 and 0.2. So our correct option is option B. Well, thank you for watching the video. Hope this helped you solving your queries. For more videos, stay tuned and keep checking our channels. You will be finding more solutions of IIT JAM stat papers there.